Hey guys, it's Lauren and Brandy from the BeautyKind Headquarters, and today we are showing you a few of our favorite summer skincare products from the new summer gift with purchase.
Let's get started. So this is the Rhodiel Bee Venom Super Serum. This is an awesome serum for anti-aging, so it really prevents fine lines and wrinkles, which is what you need, especially when the sun is beaming in the summertime.
Totally. The next skincare favorite is from Peter Thomas Roth. I love this skincare line. This is the Hungarian Thermal Water Mineral Rich Moisturizer. I have to say, I love this moisturizer because I have combo oily skin. It's also super sensitive. So in the summertime, I'm always looking for something that hydrates but doesn't irritate my skin.
And lastly, we have the Creamy Cranberry Cleanser by June Jacobs. June Jacobs is an all-natural line, which is perfect for people like me who don't really like to put a lot of chemicals on your face, but still want to get a good deep clean. So I love this stuff.
Thanks so much for watching, you guys.
Visit BeautyKindGifts.com for more information.